Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Sophia from Sophia's Kitchen and I'm going to show you today how to use your simmering basket. Simmering basket actually has some really great hacks hidden inside it. So I'm going to show you 3 hacks for your simmering basket. Number 1, simmering baskets can be used to reduce sauces. So what does that mean? Basically, you can replace your measuring cup with your simmering basket when you are reducing sauces, making jams, or cooking anything for a longer time like chutneys, and you want that steam to evaporate, but you don't want any of the splatters in your kitchen. Now, if you do have a TM6, you might have a splash guard already, but if you don't, the simmering basket will do just as good a job and will basically catch any of the juices dripping out of your Thermomix, being really safe in the kitchen. Number 2, if you are milling any spices and you don't have a large quantity of spices and just little to grind up, pop that in your mixing bowl and put the simmering basket right on top as you would put it in place. It'll ensure that all of your spices can be caught by the simmering basket and don't whiz through the entire bowl, creating unnecessary amounts of space, and you can actually get these spices ground up much finer. Number 3, you can use your simmering basket to strain. So you can use it as a nut milk strainer. Find some more videos on that one on my channel and I'll show you exactly how that's done. But essentially you just pop your nut milk bag inside your simmering basket and then pour your nut milk inside. It'll just ensure it just catches it really nicely. You can also use it to strain any juices. If you've made your own lemon juice, for example, use your simmering basket to just strain it right through and you've got perfectly strained juice. If you've got some more awesome hacks for your simmering basket or your Thermomix, make sure to leave me some comments down below and I'll have a little check out for some future videos for you guys. And hit that subscribe button, that bell, anywhere you can find it in that video, to subscribe to my channel and watch more incredible videos, tips and tricks.